Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rama. I'm a Ghanaian currently living in Canada. So today we are going to talk about some travel essentials. You should never travel without these items. I always say that, look, there's no need to reinvent the wheel. You can always learn from others and make your journey easier and comfortable. Starting off strong, invest in good luggage. Make sure that your luggage is non-crack. Trust me, if you buy cheap luggage that is easily breakable, it's going to cost you. Imagine you arrive at your destination, you go pick up your luggage, and your luggage is broken. How are you going to carry a broken luggage from the airport to wherever you are going to? So make sure that your luggage is non-cracked, because these airports guys, these people, they just be throwing their luggage anyhow. So I got this non-crack luggage. It's very lightweight. Oh, another thing, to make sure that your luggage is not very heavy, because when you're traveling, you know that they give you a particular weight. If your luggage is more than that, you need to pay more. So this luggage, if you invest in a quality one, it's actually an investment. I have this non-crack luggage. It's very lightweight. It cost me an arm and a leg, but trust me, I have traveled to so many places with this luggage and it's still going on strong. Yeah. And also, if you probably invested so much in your luggage, you want to make sure that it's not easily scratched. You have to get clear suitcase covers and then you cover your luggage. It will always be looking new anytime you are traveling. So you travel stylishly. You bow. Luggage covers are very important, especially if you're a frequent traveler. You can't spend an arm and a leg to buy a luggage, and then you travel 1, 2, 3. The luggage is looking old already, like it has scratches all over it. So invest in good luggage covers. When I was traveling to London, I did not cover my suitcases, and I regret it. Now, anytime I'm traveling, I cover it. Simple and short. Protect your investment. Another very important item that you need to have with you when traveling is a travel wallet. This wallet will contain your visas, your passports, your ID cards, and your boarding pass. When you keep all of them in one place, it will help you access them easily and efficiently. It's not now that you get to the boarding point, they ask you for your board, and then you are now looking all over the place. Keep all of that in your travel wallet so you can get a crossback one that you can use. But for me, I use this purse that I got from Victoria's Secret. It's spacious enough. Anytime I'm traveling, I have my passport in it, I have my boarding pass, I have my ID cards, and any other little stuff that I'll need on the way. I'll just put it in here and it is going to be on me in the flight. So get yourself a very nice travel wallet that will contain all your necessary items that you will need. Okay, so that when you get to the checkpoint, you don't find yourself struggling to find your boarding pass or your passport or any other thing like that. The next item that you should never travel without is a carbon monoxide alarm. This is actually new. We discovered this when my husband and I were planning our next vacation. We found out that there were instances that people died in their hotel rooms because there was carbon monoxide buildup in the hotel. I was like, what? So it's better to be safe than sorry. Especially if you're going on a vacation, you'll be staying in a hotel in an environment that you are not familiar with, in an environment that you don't really know what's going on around you. You should have a carbon monoxide alarm in the room. So anytime there's carbon monoxide buildup in the room, this alarm will go off so that you can know. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas that comes from burning fuel, gas, or appliances or engines that are not well vented. I really do not know much about it, but I found out that this helps to detect any poisonous or unwanted carbon monoxide gas in the room. So please do look into it. If you are going on a vacation, make sure you have this on you. I always say it's better to be safe than sorry. Yeah, so this is very important. Look it up and get one for yourself anytime you're going on your next vacation. Travel size toiletries are also a must have. instead of you bringing full size products that they might seize at the airport, it is better to have the travel size. This will help you save space and it will be easy to pack. It's so much easier to have a bag where you can put all your travel size items in it. So you have this travel size deodorant. There are actually some bags that they sell. I saw some at Walmart. It contains all the travel size toiletries you need. So you just buy the bag. I think it was $7 or so, but I had these already, so I didn't buy that. Usually, when you have a bag like this, it helps you carry all your toiletries in one place. So in there, like I mentioned, you have your deodorant, you have your hand cream, but they also sell these empty containers that you can just pour part of your lotion or shampoo in this, and it's a travel size. So I got two of them. I'll use one for my cream and I'll use one for my sunscreen or maybe shampoo or something. Also, you have a travel size painkiller. You never know what is going to happen on your journey. Like I say, it's better to be safe than sorry. So always have a travel size pain meds with you. So in case you have a headache or anything like that, you can just take it. When I was traveling to Canada, I had a very bad headache on the plane and I didn't know what to do. So you have this. And like I said, you have all these travel size toiletries in one place so that you don't forget anything, and it helps you stay organized and clean. I remember my first time traveling, I was going to the US and they took my perfume at the airport. I was like, nothing. No one told me that, Charlie, when you're carrying your perfume, you want to check into the flight, they will take it. I didn't know I was supposed to put it in my luggage that they're going to check in under there or something. I was just carrying the thing. The thing really hurts me, but Next item is a reliable power bank. We live in a virtual world where our mobile phone plays a very important role in our lives, especially when when you are traveling to another country. Having a reliable and charged power bank can be a lifesaver, especially during long travel times where you don't have access to electrical outlets. Having a power bank could help you keep your phones on. That way you can communicate with your people back home or the people you are going to. Speaking of power banks, another important item is a universal adapter. You guys know that different countries have different electrical outlets. So having a universal adapter will help you charge your phone effortlessly. So don't forget to include that in your travel items. A reusable water bottle is another very important item. Traveling can be quite exhausting and you need to stay hydrated. You don't want to be sick on your vacation, okay? So having a reusable water bottle will not only save you money, but then it will also help you prevent environmental waste. So anytime you are leaving your hotel to a resort or to any tourist attraction, you don't know the place. You don't know if you find water or anything like that. So have a reusable water bottle with you. You can fill it. You can fill this with water. Have it on you. So it helps you stay hydrated throughout your vacation. Another tip I want to share with you is anytime you go on a vacation, buying just one bottle of water can be expensive. So what I do is that anytime on our vacation, my husband gets the pack. We keep it in our hotel. So anytime we are going out, I have my water bottle with me. I store water. He has his own. He stores water in it, and we are good to go. When I don't take enough water, I don't feel good. So I don't joke with this water bottle. I carry it with me all the time. So that's a tip I want to share with you. Save money and keep the environment clean. Next is having a very comfortable pair of walking shoes. Trust me, having the right shoes can make a huge difference in your travel experience. It will not only keep your feet from being sore, but it is great for exploring the area without any discomfort. I know sometimes you want to wear those your fancy shoes where you can take pictures for Instagram, Snapchat, like your social media. But trust me, being safe and enjoying your trip is more important because you didn't spend all this money to come on vacation and not be able to like have fun. So if you want to still wear heels whilst you are touring and exploring, you can keep that in your bag when you get to the place where you want to take pictures, then you can change it and take. But is this it's not worth it. Who are you trying to impress? Impress yourself. So you can get a very stylish, comfortable pair of walking shoes so that you can enjoy your vacation in peace. I remember in Turkey when we were going for our tour, we started in the morning. The tour started in the morning. We finished the tour like in the evening. I think it was around 6 or so. I was like, what? But me, I'm the type of person I want to see everywhere. I want to try everything because I didn't come all this far to not see and experience and explore everything. I want to see it so that when I go back home, I know that I have really toured. So that tour was very enjoyable. But I was just imagining if I wasn't comfortable, I wouldn't have enjoyed it as much. So please, this is very important. When you are traveling, travel stylishly. Just get a nice, stylish, comfortable shoes and you're good to go. Speaking of social media, please follow me on Instagram. I'll link it somewhere here. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. The next item is for my girlies. You need to have a makeup bag. I know this is not a makeup bag, but I got this at MIT when I went to study a course in entrepreneurship. And I've been using it since. I've had it since 2020 and we're in 2023. So you can imagine. It helps me keep all my makeup in one place. It's small but mighty, because anytime you are traveling, time is very important. So when you wake up in the morning and you are getting ready to go on your tours, you can find all your makeup in one spot, and then it also helps you organize your things very well. You don't have to mix your makeup with your clothes. Makeup can easily stain your stuff, and you don't want that. So just get a cute makeup bag where you can put all your makeup in one spot. This is a lifesaver. My the girls know it. Another set of items that I don't travel without are these stylish hats. As you can see, I have so many of them. I have so many of them. When you are going on a vacation, simple things like this can take your look from 1 to 100. You just wear your cute dress and you throw on this beautiful hat, and it makes you look like you really put in a lot of effort in your looks. So I never travel without these ones. No matter what you do to me, I'll pick one of those. Also, you need some cute sunglasses when you are on the beach. You know, just imagine yourself in your hat and your sunglasses. Doesn't it look like you have really tried? Don't you look really dressed up? Yeah, so you just get a comfortable two-piece. You get your hat and then you add your glasses. You're good to go. Also, you need a bag for your jewelry. You need to keep all your jewelry in one place so that you don't misplace anything, because guys, you guys know jewelries are very expensive. So you don't want to lose your favorite jewel on a travel. So this is where I keep mine. I know this is not any fancy bag, but it's functional. So also you need sunscreen. Anytime I'm on a vacation, that's the time that I roam, like I tour, and you do that in the sun, because you need the sun to take nice pictures and to just see places. You don't want to go out when it's raining on your vacation, right? So you need sunscreen. Make sure you get SPF of 50. Okay. And then you also need a tripod. I'm filming with my tripod, so unfortunately I cannot show you my tripod, but I'll take out the phone and then I'll show you the tripod. You need to get one that is very cute so you can travel with it. Also, get the tripod that comes with a remote so that you can take your own pictures in case you don't get anyone to take pictures of you, or you find someone but the person just takes horrible pictures of you. Use your tripod remote, set it up, and take your own pictures. I know that going on a vacation without getting good pictures is, what is it? It's very frustrating. It's frustrating. So yeah, get your tripod and your remote, and don't forget to pack it. The next item, it seems like it's not important, but in my opinion, it's very important. It's a Bluetooth speaker. This one is very cute. You see it cute like that. The way it can make noise. When you are playing music, boom, 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 boom. I don't know about you, but I love music and I love to listen to music on my vacation. Anytime I listen to Afro beats on my vacations, I feel like I've brought a piece of Ghana with me. This one has been with me to every country. I had it on me in Turkey, I had it on me in London, and I have it here in Canada. And anytime I'm traveling, I have it with me because when you are in the hotel and you are getting ready to tour, or when you are on your tour, you have this with you. You can be playing some Afro beats or some music, and it just adds to the fun. You have to enjoy. Life is short to enjoy. So I always have this with me. Play some music, and I also like to sleep with calming, relaxing sounds or raindrops. So this helps me fall asleep quickly on my vacation because you need enough rest. When you are on vacations, you are all over the place because you have just a few days to see everything in that country. So yeah, get you some Bluetooth speakers, very good ones, and enjoy your trip. Enjoyment. I've been talking for a while. I don't know how long I've been talking for, but I do know I don't want this video to be long. So let's just wrap it up. The next item you need is a swim suit. Like, because what's a vacation without going to the beach or going to the poolside or having a cruise? So you need like a swim, like a beautiful swimsuit. You also need hand sanitizers. I should have mentioned this earlier on, but then yeah, you need hand sanitizers. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the subscribe button. Let's connect, let's be friends. Follow me on my social media handles. I'll leave it on the screen somewhere. And did I say you should subscribe? Yes, subscribe. Be part of my family. Like, comment. Tell me what you usually take with you on your vacations. Tell me if the items I mentioned, you find them helpful. Tell me if you agree with me, and tell me if you don't agree with me. And please like the video because it helps with the algorithm. Did I say you should subscribe? Yes, subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one.